Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use guided journaling in Finch. Finch is a digital companion designed to support self-care, emotional well-being and personal growth. Among its wellness features, Finch offers guided journaling, which help users reflect on their thoughts through structured prompts. Guided journaling encourages mindfulness, emotional clarity and consistent self-reflection, and in this guide we will explain how to access and use guided journaling in the Finch application. First, you need to open to your Finch app, and on the home screen your Finch pet and daily progress information will be visible. You need to access to the self-care, so first locate to the three-lined icon in the top left. Here you need to select to this my self-care areas. Once you reach into this my self-care areas, you need to start a new area. Over here, if you find a journaling, or you can simply make our own area on the bottom plus icon. Type down your journal entry, read on the screen prompt carefully, enter your response in the text field over here. And guided journaling in Finch provides a structured and supportive way to reflect on thoughts and emotions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.